CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, second year, VA Institute of Technology. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will teaching in this video for membership operator in operators, Python operators. These membership operators are used to test it a sequence is present in a object, that is called as membership operators. What is membership operators? Membership operators test for membership in a sequence such as strings, lists or tuples. There are two membership operators. It is called as membership operators. These membership operators have two operators, that is in operator and not in operator. This in operator check for this object inner the sequence, and not in operator same as for in operator. And this example is A in B, and next one is not in operators example is A not in B. In operator description is evaluate to true if it find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. And not in description is evaluate to true if it does not find a variable in the specific sequence and false otherwise. I am explain for understandable method in Python IDLE interactive mode. So I am open Python IDLE. I am first taken operator is in operator. I am creating for one variable, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And next I am check for this condition in operator condition. So I am check 1 in is the keyword of in operator. 1 in A, this condition is true. And next 4 in A, this condition is false. Why now? The 4 sequence is not in the object, so this condition is false. And next string example. So I am create A is equal to A, B. I am check this condition. See, you're using string mostly use for double quotes. In A, this condition is false. Why now? This C sequence is not for A object, so this is false. And check for next condition. This A in A, this condition is satisfied for true. Why now? This A value, that sequence is inner the A object, so this condition is satisfied true. Finally, what understand the in operator? This inner the one object of values, this condition is true. Not in the any value, the condition is false. And next not in operator, this description is one value inner the object, that condition is false. True, this condition satisfied. One condition is one value is not in the object, this is true. And one condition is inner the object, that is false. So I am check this condition. A is equal to 3, A, and next I am check this condition. 3 not in A, this condition is false. Why now? This 3 is inner the object. So but this condition is 3 not in, so this condition is false. Check for next one. A 4 not in A. This condition is satisfied or false. Sorry, true. Why no? Not in for A object in the inner the 4. So this condition is true. This session is complete, and next one is a bitwise operator. So watching my video. Thank you.